How to create a new rental property. If you have signed up to PaTMa, you can start to manage your properties using the software's features to keep track of rental and mortgage payments, essential documentation and portfolio management, all within our property management package for no extra fee. This video will help you get started in creating your first property. Once you've logged in to your PaTMa account, navigate to Manager that you will see in the top left-hand side of the header bar. In the upper right, click Add Property. On the next screen, you can choose the property type, either single let, house of multiple occupancy, single tenancy house of multiple occupancy, or a block estate. Choose the type you want and move to the next screen. The first time you create a property, you'll be requested to provide the required information that will be associated with the property in future logins. This information will be utilised to manage the essential details of each property. As you can see, the fields with the asterisks are the required fields. Everything else you can leave for now. You may want to fill these in at a later date. Your label will be the name of the property that identifies it for you. To find the address, start typing in the address line 1 field. Or you can enter the address manually. The notes section can be used to assign any additional information you would like to store along with the property. The key number field is used to enter the identification number that you may have assigned to the property's keys for easy recognition. The date you purchased the property and the purchase price field can either be filled in now or you can edit at a later point. Select the No Gas Supply checkbox if the property does not have a gas supply. Select the Insurance Not Required field if the property does not require any insurance. We will come back to how these fields work in regards to the rest of the software at a later point. Choose an image to upload of your property. If no image is chosen, the software will default to a Lego image. Click Save.